Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the Durante Home Exteriors story. Congratulations to the incredible team at Durante Home Exteriors based in Irondale, Alabama, for winning national recognition from Best of the Best, and most importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and workmanship since 2001 to the people in several markets in the southern U.S. This company has a big footprint and it's growing. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Durante Home Exteriors story. At Best of the Best, we really value family companies that become market leaders through old-fashioned hard work, integrity, superior customer service, and staying on the cutting edge of their industries. Durante is that company. Durante Home Exteriors does a lot of things really well. All kinds of exterior work: windows, doors, siding, trim, decking, sunrooms, patio products. This company also knows how to promote itself. They have a ton of nice videos. They appear on local TV. But this story is much more about quality workmanship and quality people than it is about marketing. Remember, the Durante team did not call us. They knew nothing about this video. We found them. We researched them, and as much as we love companies that have lots of great marketing materials, at Best of the Best, we care most about what real customers say about any business. The reviews and testimonials about Durante are among the best we've ever seen. Durante is endorsed by some reputable folks. They're Trust Dale certified, they're Angie's List Super Service Award winners. They had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau when we reviewed them in December of 2015. They were also a Guild quality company and a Best Pick company from EBSCO Research. We love all that stuff. Let's just look at Guild quality. Durante has actually paid Guild for years to survey Durante clients. Now, no bad company would ever do that. Hundreds of Durante clients have been surveyed by Guild, and the reviews are overwhelmingly awesome. Customers simply rave about the quality of workmanship, the professionalism of Durante's full-time crews, attention to detail, and most of all, honesty and integrity. Anytime we see pages like this on a company's website, it tells us the owners value their people, they don't have a lot of turnover, and they're proud of their work. The owner, Jason Durante, ain't your grandpa's contractor. He's a very progressive businessman who's built a great organization that focuses like a laser on customer service. Dealing with Durante's not your typical contractor experience. Durante has literally thousands of satisfied customers all over the southern U.S. They have the experience to do things the right way. Little things like showing up on time, doing the work on time and on budget, which can be a lost art in the world of contractors. Not at Durante. They do what they say they will do, period. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The Durante team has given back to many people and organizations over the years. We love that too. Congratulations to the entire team at Durante Home Exteriors on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, guys. You earned it.